This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hello guys, welcome back to one more video, and in this video we'll be taking a look on how to pen test Jira. But before going to the video, we're having some announcements here. We have launched the second batch of master course for Bug Bounties, and it is starting in somewhere around 5 days. So take a look on all the contents. It's a 50-day complete master course based on beginning to the advanced techniques into Bug Bounties, including lots of resources, notes, and a lots of content. As you guys can see all the contents here. And here are few latest reviews, you can also take a look on them. And the link is in the description, so make sure to take a look on all the resources, all the details there. And let's get into the video. Right, so here we are on a computer screen, and see, for pentesting Jira, there's a lot of things that you should know. If you are watching my older videos or any of my live sessions, if you haven't watched it, you can simply just take a look on the channel here. But if you are watching my older series of live bug bounty sessions or all these things, then you will be kind of aware that yes, we have seen a lot of things, a lot of ways to exploit Jira, and yet there are more. We need to just do a bit of research. So I'm just making this collection here. Now see, initially when you find Jira, like a lot of you will be asking me how to find Jira, just grab Jira in the subdomain list. First of all, easiest way. Second, take a look on the services going on. Open like 10,000 subdomains, you will be easily using Nuclei to grab the Jira from it. You can simply do tag detections using Nuclei and find all the Jira. If you can't find Jira in both of them, then do a simple thing. Find all the IPs, all the ports, and then try to look for Jira. Simple as that. Now see, once you find Jira, try to fuzz it. Because fuzzing it can give some of the files that you are not technically, looking for, or maybe they are not easily available to the, they are not supposed to be public, in short. So yeah, there are few fuzzing lists I'm just providing. Few of them might be having some access issues, few of them might be having some sort of SQL injections, or they might be having some of the files that are not supposed to be public, and they might be having some of their own CVs. And obviously, when you are having Jira, take a look on their top 30 CVs. I have mentioned few of CVs here that I'll say you need to have, or you need to make notes of it, because when you are just trying to exploit Jira in this type of things, it's really very important to have all the idea of it. Apart from that, I'm also mentioning few CVs and their exploits, so yeah, you can try all of them. Because pentesting Jira can't be easy. Finding it, it's easy as that. If you're having all these types of exploitations, you can simply exploit them. And also, there are a few more links for Jira that will just help you to learn more and more about it. And also, for this video, I just wanted to show you this, and now I'll be touching few POCs, so take a look on that one. So I guess that was for the POCs in this particular video, and don't forget to take a look on the links in the description for the courses, for the resources and all these things, and see you guys in the upcoming video. Have a great day.